Your IT system can either push your practice forward or quietly hold it back. Most practices feel something isn't right, but fear the chaos of change. Today we talk about how to modernize your IT without breaking your workflow. Hello, I'm Dr. Baxmann, and in this episode of Lean Orthodontics, we're diving into a topic that affects every modern orthodontic practice: how to future-proof your IT infrastructure, reduce risks, and introduce digital change in a way that your entire team actually supports. When practices decide to modernize their IT, the biggest mistake is trying to force change from the top down. Digital transformation doesn't fail because of technology. It fails because people feel overwhelmed, excluded, or afraid. Employees often worry that they're not technical enough, that they'll fall behind, or that their role might become irrelevant. If leadership ignores these fears, resistance grows quietly, and systems fail despite being technically perfect. Successful digital change starts with inclusion. Every employee, regardless of role, must feel part of the journey. Communication matters more than hardware or software. A clear explanation of why change is happening, how it will help daily work, and what support is available dramatically increases acceptance. When people feel heard and guided instead of threatened, adoption becomes natural. On the technical side, cloud computing has completely changed how practices operate. Instead of maintaining expensive and fragile servers on site, cloud solutions allow practices to pay only for what they actually use. Email systems, data storage, collaboration tools, and backups can all run securely in professional data centers. This eliminates downtime caused by hardware failures and ensures constant access from anywhere. The idea of "where is my data" used to create fear, especially in highly regulated environments. Today, the reality is clear. Professional data centers offer far higher security than most practice basements or storage rooms. Physical access protection, redundant power, fire prevention, and high-speed internet connections are standard. Data becomes safer, not riskier. For practices that still rely on local servers, minimum security standards are essential. A server placed under a cabinet or accessible to cleaning staff is a serious liability. Business data is often the most valuable asset a practice owns, more valuable than equipment. Protecting it means securing physical access, ensuring backups, and considering relocation to a data center when scale and complexity increase. Remote access is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Modern systems allow full access to servers and applications through secure internet connections. Screens, keyboards, and system controls can be mirrored remotely, allowing IT maintenance without being physically present. Even hardware failures can be handled quickly through professional data center support using remote hands services. Home office work is also fully compatible with orthodontic practices. Administrative tasks, billing, documentation, patient communication, and even video consultations can be handled remotely. The key is secure access. End-to-end encryption ensures that data remains unreadable during transmission. Combined with VPN connections, employees can safely access practice systems from approved devices without compromising patient data. Modern communication systems are equally flexible. Practice phone numbers are no longer tied to physical locations. Calls can be routed to smartphones, laptops, or home offices, allowing seamless communication regardless of where staff members are working. Secure messaging, internet-based telephony, and mobile integration create continuity without sacrificing control. The biggest shift required isn't technical, it's mental. Digitalization is not a one-time project. It's an ongoing process of evaluation, adaptation, and improvement. Practices that approach IT like orthodontic treatment, diagnosis, planning, implementation, review, achieve stability instead of disruption. If this episode sparked ideas about improving your IT structure, cloud usage, or home office capabilities, take that as a signal. Start with communication, build trust, and let technology support your people. not the other way around. I'm Dr. Baxmann, and this is Lean Orthodontics. See you in the next episode.